there you have some engines here that we see sometimes with a raised hood where we see the top, but people don't often see these engine and transmissions out where we can actually see them properly.
Yeah.
Tell me, what is this green setup?
This has
here?
an Oldsmobile motor. It's one of the first hot rod motors American cars ever made. Was the Olds Rocket 88.
Okay.
And it was a high performance motor type thing for the car instead of the Flathead or the straight 8 or the straight 6. So this is a 52 Oldsmobile motor. 49 to 52.
What were some of the things in the design of it that made it so powerful?
Just the V8.
Okay.
Then they had the bigger 4-speed automatic too.
Oh, did they really? Okay.
Yeah. So and it was this was probably a 301 cubic inches.
Okay.
Not too many cubic inches because they didn't do that much.
And of course, overhead valves instead of L head or something?
Instead of the flathead, yeah.
Yep. Okay, wow.
This belongs to the neighbor man over here, and we rebuilt the motor and transmission.
Is this pretty much a stock rebuild?
Stock rebuild.
All the way, huh?
Yeah, original sparkler wires and the rocket things.
I'm noticing how they're run under that little trim piece there.
Yeah, and where the generator's mounted and everything else. It's all original
stuff. Let me look around the other side real quick to see it. You don't get a chance to see these very often. Not where you can see the whole thing.
Yeah.
So I guess that's a fuel pump and filter
setup. Yes, it
there?
is. And the top of it was a vacuum for windshield wipers.
Oh, really?
Because they didn't have electric. They didn't have electric wipers. They had vacuum.
Okay, so the vacuum comes off the carb.
That's a fuel line going there.
Okay. Oh, okay, right. Okay.
The bottom is fuel and the top is vacuum.
Okay, so there's the vacuum that's going back to the car.
The dash and goes to the windshield wipers.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how that worked.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, what is this monster blue machine here?
Oh, this is a straight 8 Pontiac.
Okay.
The Oldsmobile would have been an overhead valve motor, but this is still a straight 8 Pontiac of a 51, 52 Pontiac convertible.
Really?
All these are out of convertibles.
So it still ran a flat head on it.
And we rebuilt this motor some years ago.
Okay.
And the transmission. And then we're just holding it here. So he's going to come get it in the next couple of days, but it's been here about 10 years.
That's some projects take a lot
on the
longer.
Car. He's got the bows are all chromed on the top and a lot of wood working on the tops.
Oh, it's got the wood, right?
Yeah, on the top of the convertible. He's still working on it every day.
So all you people out there languishing projects, just hang in there. You can get to the end. Just keep going.
And this one here is a 49 Chevrolet 6-cylinder, and that is a 49. He has a 49 Chevrolet convertible for this one too.
I see.
And this happens to be a Chevy 3-speed, small transmission.
Now, is that an automatic?
No, it's a 3-speed stick shift.
Stick shift, okay.
Column shift.
Right. Okay, so I'm just trying to orient myself a little bit here. So this would be the clutch right here.
Yeah.
The clutch pedal, and here's your linkages for the gears.
Shifter, yeah. Column shift up on the steering wheel.
Column shift, right.
Yeah, pretty good. And we've had these all 3 running.
Okay, so you know they're good to go.
They're ready to go, yeah.
Ed, way to go.
So
just all you have to do is ship them out.
Fun things, yeah.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Good thing about it, maybe 10 years ago, he paid for all of them. They're just sitting here.
Okay, and he paid a price that was much lower than it would be today.
Oh, no.
No?
No.
He paid top price?
He always pays top price. No, not really. I don't know.
Okay, I don't remember the numbers right now.
Remember the numbers.
Yeah, that's okay. This is very cool. Thanks, Ed. It's very fun.